Right then, farmers and machinery enthusiasts, forget your sheepdogs and your tweed jackets. We're diving headfirst into the 21st century of agriculture. Now, you might be thinking, Jeremy, why should I care about the latest farming gadgets? Well, let me tell you, these aren't your granddad's rusty old plows. These machines are changing the game, boosting yields, saving time, and frankly, looking dead sexy in the field. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a high-octane journey through the top 5 agricultural machines of 2024. First up, we have a beast of a machine, a combine harvester so big it makes a normal tractor look like a child's toy. This, my friends, is the name of machine, built by manufacturer's name, and let me tell you, it's an absolute monster. We're not talking about some piddly little combine that struggles to harvest a field of daisies. This thing could eat its way through a forest of wheat and still have room for seconds. It's got a header on it wider than a football pitch and more cutting blades than a Sweeney Todd convention. Look at it go. It's like watching a hot knife slicing through butter, and the best part, this thing practically drives itself. It's got more sensors than a Formula One car and enough computing power to make a NASA engineer blush, but it's not just about brute force, oh no. This machine is smart too. It can adjust its cutting height on the fly, optimize grain flow, and even map the yield across the entire field. Talk about working smarter, not harder. Just look at all those buttons and screens. With a machine like this, farmers can harvest more grain in less time, with less waste. It's a win-win-win situation. Look at the sheer volume of grain pouring out of that thing. It's like a golden waterfall. Now, I know what you're thinking, Jeremy. That combine was impressive and all, but what about planting the seeds in the first place? Well, fret no more, my friends, because machine number 2 has got you covered. This, my friends, is the name of machine. A precision seeder that makes planting crops look easier than ordering a takeaway. Forget your old-fashioned seed drills. This machine is so accurate it could plant a row of carrots in a straight line from here to the moon. Just look at it go! It's like watching a robotic ballet dancer gliding across the field. And the precision. It's enough to make a Swiss watchmaker weep with envy, but it's not just about accuracy. Oh no! This machine is also incredibly efficient. It can plant multiple rows of seeds simultaneously at the perfect depth and spacing, all while monitoring soil conditions and adjusting seeding rates on the fly. See those little seed dispensers? Each one is like a miniature robot, carefully placing each seed in the ground with the utmost care and precision. And the best part? This machine is surprisingly gentle on the soil. Look at that. Perfectly spaced rows of seeds, all ready to sprout and grow into bountiful crops. Chapter 3, the spraying superstar. Now let's talk pest control, shall we? Because let's face it, nobody likes a swarm of locusts ruining their crops. That's where our next contender comes in, the name of machine, a spraying marvel that's here to save the day. And your harvest. Forget your clunky old tractors with their leaky sprayers and uneven coverage. This machine is a technological tour de force, capable of targeting weeds and pests with pinpoint accuracy while using minimal amounts of chemicals. Look at that precision. It's like watching a surgeon performing keyhole surgery on a field of wheat. And the best part, this machine is smart enough to know the difference between a weed and a crop, so you can say goodbye to those nasty chemical burns on your prize-winning pumpkins. It can cover vast areas in a single pass thanks to its massive boom and advanced nozzle technology. See those nozzles? Each one is individually controlled, allowing the machine to adjust the spray pattern and droplet size on the fly, ensuring optimal coverage and minimal drift. And speaking of science fiction, this machine is practically self-driving. Look at it go, no hands. It's enough to make you wonder if farmers will even need steering wheels in the future. Chapter 4, the harvesting hero. Right then, buckle up, because machine number 4 is here to shake things up in the world of harvesting. This is the name of machine, a fruit-picking phenomenon that's faster, gentler, and frankly, more intelligent than any human worker. Now I know what you're thinking. Jeremy, you're suggesting a machine can replace the nimble fingers and keen eyes of a seasoned fruit picker? And the answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. This machine is a marvel of engineering, equipped with soft robotic arms and advanced vision systems that can identify ripe fruit with uncanny accuracy. Did you see that? It plucked that apple like it was a newborn baby bird. This isn't some brute force operation. This machine is all about finesse and precision. It can even assess the ripeness of the fruit using sensors, ensuring that only the juiciest specimens make it into the collection bin. It can work tirelessly, 24 hours a day, without needing a tea break or complaining about the weather. Plus, it can access those hard-to-reach places that would have even the most agile human contorting themselves into a pretzel. With a machine like this, farmers can say goodbye to labor shortages and hello to increased productivity. And let's be honest, wouldn't you rather have a robot picking your fruit than some bloke named Barry who hasn't washed his hands since last Tuesday? Chapter 5, the data-driven dynamo. And now, for our final act, we have something truly special. This isn't a tractor, a combine, or a sprayer. This, my friends, is the name of machine, a data-crunching dynamo that's set to revolutionize the way farmers manage their fields. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jeremy, you've lost it. This isn't a machine, it's a glorified computer. And you'd be right, in a way. But don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. This little box of tricks is packed with more sensors, processors, and algorithms than you can shake a stick at. Now, it might not look like much, but this machine is constantly collecting data on everything from soil moisture levels to nutrient content to pest and disease pressure. It's like having a team of agricultural scientists working tirelessly in your fields, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But it's not just about collecting data, oh no. This machine is all about turning that data into actionable insights. It uses sophisticated algorithms and machine learning to provide farmers with real-time recommendations on everything from irrigation scheduling to fertilizer application to pest control strategies. With this kind of data at their disposal, farmers can make smarter decisions, optimize their yields, and reduce their environmental impact. So, there you have it, folks. Our whirlwind tour of the top 5 agricultural machines of 2024 has come to an end. From colossal combines to delicate fruit-picking robots, these machines are changing the face of farming as we know it. If you enjoyed this high-octane journey through the world of agricultural machinery, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. And be sure to let us know in the comments which machine impressed you the most. Until next time, keep your tractors shiny and your harvests plentiful.